Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Niffty from Hazbin Hotel. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the eye. We'll start with a large curve across. Now from the ends, let's hop inwards and let's draw a curve up and back down. Next, from the ends, let's curve it in. Then for the left side, let's curve it up, stopping here. Let's draw a V-shaped notch in. Another curve going up, stopping near the top. Another V-shaped notch. And then curve it down. Now let's color this outside section in black. Next, let's hop inside and add the pupil. Let's start on the top left and let's draw an oval shape around, leaving a gap like this. And then let's draw a large V-shaped notch in. And now let's color it in black. And that's it for the eye. Now let's move down to the bottom left and let's draw the first piece of hair by drawing a curve down and out. Then let's curve it back up. And then one more curve down. Next, let's hop over to the right and let's start drawing the shape of the face. Let's start on the right side of the eye here and let's draw a curve down and then bring it up and over to the left. Now inside at the bottom, let's draw a long U-shaped curve for the mouth. And then an oval on both sides. And that's it for the face. Now let's add the hair. Let's start on the top right and let's draw a curve up and out. Then let's draw a V-shaped point in. Now let's move over to the left side on top of the eye and let's draw a wavy line over to the right and down like this. Next, inside, starting from that point, let's draw a curve in, bring it down, and then curve it back into the eye. Now move back over on the top left and let's draw another curve up, and then curve it back down. And then a smaller point over to the left. Now for the next piece of hair, let's draw a long curve out, down, and then curve it up at the end. And then let's curve it all the way back around and in. Now let's move over to the right side and let's add another curly piece. Let's start by drawing a curve down and then curve it up. And then follow that same curve back in. Now let's finish off the hair at the bottom. On the bottom right, let's curve it out, and then a curve back in, stopping here. Now let's draw a V-shaped notch up, then a curve over to the left, another V-shaped notch up, one more curve over, and then angle it back up and in. And that's it for Niffty. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!